In this video, I will be showing you how to put margins in a PDF in Canva. Let's get started. When working on print documents, worksheets, or downloadable PDF files, making sure your text and graphic elements stay well within safe printable boundaries is essential for achieving a clean, polished, and professional finish. Setting up margins prevents important content from getting cut off during the printing process and helps maintain clean visual alignment throughout your entire document layout. Starting right here on the main Canva homepage dashboard, you can view all your recent projects, templates, and custom designs organized conveniently. I begin by locating the specific document that I want to edit today. In my recent designs area, I locate the document titled White Bordered Welcome Letter to the Student's Schoolette, and I click directly on it to open the design canvas in full editor view. Once the document finishes loading inside the Canva editing space, I take a moment to look at the overall page layout. On screen, we have a clean, structured document containing a header title, main body text paragraphs, and a closing signature section. To make sure none of these visual components sit too close to the outer edges of the paper, I need to enable the built-in margin guides provided by Canva. I move my mouse cursor straight up to the top left header bar where the primary menu options are located. Right beside the resize option, I click on the File menu to expand the main settings menu. Inside this menu list, you can access various administrative, save, and display configurations for your project. I scroll down slightly and hover over the View Settings option. Hovering here automatically reveals a secondary side menu featuring various layout utilities, including rulers, guides, print bleed, and margin indicators. In this secondary menu, I click on Show Margins. As soon as I select this option, a thin dashed rectangular boundary line appears around the outer edges of the page. This line clearly marks the safety margin zone, allowing me to easily verify that all header text, paragraph blocks, and image elements remain properly aligned and safely inside the margins before saving or exporting as a PDF document. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to put margin in PDF in Canva.